You plug in your hard drive and boom, Windows hits you with this message. The file or directory is corrupted or unreadable. And right now, you're probably thinking, did I just lose all my files? Is my drive dead? Well, hold that panic, because today we're fixing it step by step, and I'll also show you how to get your files back safely if the damage is real. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back. This error often happens when the file system gets corrupted, maybe the drive was unplugged mid-transfer, or you had a power cut, or the drive just aged out. So first up, let's try the quick one. Unplug the drive, reboot your PC, and plug it into a different USB port. If it shows up, congrats, you just dodged a bullet. If not, alright, no worries. Let's dig deeper. The second method is to scan the drive from disk properties. It can repair file system errors and inspect for corrupted sectors. Let's see how to do it. Open this PC and find the hard drive with the error. The file or repository is corrupted and unreadable. Right-click on it and select Properties. Navigate to the Tools tab. There will be a check button. To check the hard drive, select it. If an error is discovered on the hard drive, it will notify you, and you will have the option to repair the hard drive. The next step is to perform a disk check to see if there are any repairable problems on the disk. Open Command Prompt as admin and type this command. Just replace X with your drive letter. What this does is scan your drive for bad sectors and file system errors, and it'll try to repair them automatically. If you see something like Windows has made corrections to the file system, that's a win. If none of the previous solutions work, then the last resort is to format the hard drive. Head over to this PC, find your problematic external drive, right-click it, and choose Format from the menu. Now, select your preferred file system and tick the Quick Format option under Format Settings. Once that's done, click Start to begin the formatting process. Formatting the hard drive will solve the problem, but it will also delete your important files. For data security, we recommend you use the TenorShare 4DDiG data recovery tool, which can recover 1,000 plus data types from various loss scenarios. If 4DDiG can recognize the faulty drive, then you can recover data before formatting it. Otherwise, you can format first, and then use this tool to recover lost data from the formatted drive. So download and install the program on your system, then launch it. Connect your drive to the PC and 4DDiG should detect it instantly. On the main interface, select your desired drive and click Scan to proceed. Now, 4DDiG will start scanning the formatted drive to find lost files. Once done, select the target files and then click Recover to save them to a different partition. Hopefully, the above methods help fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error. To recover data from a formatted drive, we strongly recommend you try TenorShare 4DDiG. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.